welcome in, welcome in, welcome in to another woolly review. And today we have Stylecraft Charm. Now this is a lace weight, so Beany's going to be helping me out today with this one. Now this is a 200-gram ball, shade Deep Water. Not that we're here for the colour. 3.5 to 5 needle or hook, up to you, and approximately 1,084 meters or 1,185 yards. Now this is 85% premium acrylic, 10% wool, 5% mohair. Can you see the hair? Can ya? So I have not bought this for myself before. This is a first for me. But I am planning to use this to make a shawl. Now I can definitely feel the fuzz. Like for sure I can feel the fuzz. Nom 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 nom. Yum 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 yum. Lovely and soft though, not scratchy. Well, I can just about feel that it's real wool in there. Just about. So Beany's going to help me out. I'm a little bit worried about the frogging for this one because of the fuzz. But we will see how we go. So stretch wise, no stretch in there. And we are going to work up 2 rows of single crochet, 2 rows of double, and 2 rows of half double. And then we'll frog and see what is what. Now this Beany hook, hello, was made especially for me, custom made by Jelena. Oh, I went ahead too many. She is linked down below the details about the sale of my hanky markers and my HanKeys. Nice and chunky, and all of them, hankies and hanky markers, can all be done in colours that you would like them done in. Beads as well. Working with this, I've only done a couple of stitches and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so delicate. I'm feeling like I want to be all dainty and delicate with it. Now I'm fine using lace weight usually, so this shouldn't be too difficult. That was my mistake. Let's do that again. Like I said, I am dreading the frog. I've done a double instead of a single. Oh my gosh, woman. Yeah, we're not here to judge my crochet skills, okay? We're just here to review the wool. If I can actually get a swatch done. Yeah, maybe it's just one of those days today. Maybe. Okay, there's 1 row of singles done. Let's do some half doubles. Now I can definitely feel it in my fingers as I'm working with it. There we go. But I wouldn't say it was an irritable, I can feel it, you know? I can definitely feel the wool content in it as well. So if you're allergic to standard wool, not superwash, because you wouldn't be allergic to the superwash, but if you're allergic to the standard wool, I would avoid this like the plague, which seems really horrible, but you know, you don't want to break out in a rash or hyperventilate, or however your allergy plays itself out with you. So I'd steer clear. Because I can feel it. It's not a bad, scratchy, oh my gosh, this is awful, when am I going to finish with it? But I can feel it. Okay, row of double. Oops. I'm guessing it hasn't got an overly great drape unless you're going to do something really lacy with it. It's pretty, like, it will stay put where you put it, if you know what I mean. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. Sometimes it's not good to know what I mean, because, you know, then you'd be in the same ballpark mentally as me, and that could be quite scary. Okay, let's do one more row of single crochet. Oh, I squeaked a bit there. Well, I didn't, but the wool did on my hook. Or maybe it was Beany. Did you squeak? Yeah, that's really conclusive. Thanks, Beans. Okay, last one of the singles going in. Now one more row of half double. Anyone else dreading the frog as much as me? Even my wool winder's squeaking at me. Maybe 'tis the season to be squeaky. Tra la 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 la. Oh, it might have just split there. Maybe I was rushing it a little bit. I guess I am deliberately trying to be really careful with this. I'm not just going haphazard. Maybe if I was, I'd be struggling with the stitches a little bit more, maybe. It's my theory. Doesn't mean it's accurate. It's just, that's my theory. Can we get it in? Come on. Come on. There we go. Thank you. And one last row of double crochet. It feels fine as in to work with. Like, I don't have any concerns that, oh heck, if I do something big with this, I'll have no fingers left because they'll have been sandpapered off. No, I don't feel that at all. I can definitely feel the wool going through my fingers as I'm working with it. For me, thankfully, that's not a problem overly. Sometimes you get wool. What have I done there? Like, what have I done there? Oh my gosh, anybody know what I just did there? Something wrong. Yes, that's correct. Yes. No, I don't know what on earth I was saying. Yeah. Okay. And in. And then Beany can take a rest. Beany, thank you very much for your help. Stay. Good girl. Okay. Personally speaking, I would be fine with that against my skin. As a main garment, I would be fine with that. I'd be quite happy with that. Sorry, Beans. Now let's frog. Oh yeah, stretch. There's a tiny bit of stretch. There isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. Okay, slow frog, and we're already caught on itself. Oh gosh. I did say I was dreading this bit, right? Oh my gosh. I am dreading doing the fast. This is just a slow bit. Oh my gosh. Will a fast frog even be possible? I think that basically tells us the answer, really, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. It broke-ted. It broke-ted. Now, let's face it, when you use 100% wool, you are bound to have easy breaks. It's just one of those things. I wasn't expecting it to break that quickly, though. Oh, yeah, and there's a free pattern on the ball band. Woo. Obviously, it's going to be a knitting thing. I'm almost certain of it, but still. Okay, so the Stylecraft Charm. Let's put you on there for a moment. Why have we gone? There we go, thank you. I don't know why we went all out of focus. Would I be dead against it no matter what? Clear off, go away. Ugh. Nope. Would I be quite annoyed? But okay, fine. If that's the only thing you've got, then fine, I'll take it. Nope. Would I be, well, okay, I'll give it a go. It's not on my top 5, but oh, I'll try it. Nope. Would I be, hey, that's in my top 3. I'll take it. Let's go. Yes, I'm going to keep it as 4 out of 5 ladybirds. The breakage is a problem, and I do end up frogging a fair bit here and there when I'm making for others. When I'm making for me, I don't really care. A mistake is a mistake. I'll just sort it out later on. But if I'm making for someone else, I do tend to frog a fair bit because I get caught up. So it'd be a problem with the frogging and the ripping. A little bit disappointed, but it is very, very soft. It feels lovely in the hand. It doesn't feel overly scratchy. It feels more natural than it does plastic. I would say, you know, this would be probably my number 3 in my top 3. I like it. It's soft, it's squishy. It's got a lovely lot of fuzz, and I love fuzz, personally speaking. Some of you don't, and you know, that's fair enough. But this is my review, helped by Beany. And if you want to come and join us next week for the next review, whatever that is, please remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you're willing, and heck, if you really are willing and it is helpful and you want to get onto the super wheel to be spun at the end of the month, there's a little thanks box down there too. Any increment of £5, each increment of £5, will get you 1 entry onto the super wheel, and it helps out this channel to bring you more content. Hopefully, I'll see you next time. For now, we take care and we say bye-bye. And I almost forgot to tell you, oops, the cheapest place that I found the charm was £6 over at Lubyloo Yarns. But as with always, it's down there in the description. Okay, I'll clear off again now.